Hi everyone, my name is Quincy from Schultz Media Group, and today I'm accompanied by my dad. He's not on the screen, but he's gonna ask me a few questions about this new software that I just found.
Okay. So what's the name of the software that we have?
Yeah, the software is called VidNoz.
It's okay. So it's VidNoz. What does it do?
Yeah, it makes AI avatar videos,
Show
where
the people. Excuse me.
where like uh, where like as this one as you can see in front of you, it's so lifelike you actually think that it's actually a real person.
And this is made from a picture, correct?
Right.
Okay. So okay, guys. So you upload a picture. Let me get this right. You upload a picture, and then it becomes lifelike, right?
Exactly.
And then you can use this for if you're an influencer. You can use this if you um, YouTuber, whatever. But you can be on vacation and have your avatar actually do the videos for you as your spokesperson or do reactions for you. Um, and you can be on vacation. So this is really a game changer, and it'll save you a lot of time in your business if you're an influencer or whatever. Just being able to create another version of yourself and have that version work for you tirelessly and never ask for a break, a vacation, never complain about a headache or being sick. So, using these avatars are game changers. So, you just have to be smart enough to actually see where you can plug it into your business, whatever type of business you have, and use these avatars for your business and to save you massive amounts of time. Okay, so that's about it for today. Give them the website.
The website is called vidnoz.com.
Okay. Is it free? Do they have a free version for them just
They
so they
do.
can try it out?
It is a free version, but
Just
it's a little bit limited. If you want the
no,
full
no, no,
pack.
no. Just let them try it, and then they can decide whether they want to go up and get anything. But the free version will do, and if they see the value in using the free version, and it's cost justified, if the other stuff costs money, then as long as they're making way more than what it costs, it doesn't cost anything.
Right.
So yeah, just try the free version. This is a good tool. Quincy recommends it. I recommend it. Okay, tell them your company and all your information.
Also, if you need any help with your WordPress website or your interface on your website, go to schultzmediagroup.com or use my phone number 800-461-3650.
30. Go ahead. Say it again. Say it again.
And again, our phone number is 800-461-3650. And also like if you and also if you want more AI software videos, comment down below. Thanks and goodbye.